Dan was not recorded in front of a studio audience. All the sounds, laughter, and clapping you hear was digitally inserted to make Dan feel better. Where did that guy come from? Well, we got an audience person. Who is this guy? Quick, cut to the title scene.
Hey, Dan. What are you going to be doing today? Some blacksmithing? What are you doing, Dan? Did you just turn the propane on? Dan, are you walking away? Dan. Dan? What are you doing, buddy? Dan? 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 Don't light that, Dan. It's gonna... Poor Dan. He should have known if you leave propane just sitting in a forge like that, turned on, it would blow your mind and send you sky high. Wonder where he's gonna land. That Dan.